Hi you guys, it's Tuesday's lesson. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm on page 401 in your text and I'm factoring trinomials where our A term is bigger than 1. Do me a favor, pause the video, copy this down, and I will get right to it. Okay, we're still going to do the same thing, or probably a little bit different. Now I'm multiplying 5 times -3, so that's going to give me -15 d squared. Okay, I haven't really included the d squared because we really don't use it right this second. Okay, I need factors that equal -14. Okay, I'm going to need a negative and a positive because that's the only way to get a negative when you multiply it. Now let me put the positive on this side and the negative on this side. Okay, I have +1 and -15. Oh, that works right away. That is -14. -3 and -5, that would have given me -2. So this is the winner right here. Okay, I'm going to replace this middle term here, you guys, with 1d minus 15d. So I'm rewriting 5d squared plus 1d minus 15d minus 3. Okay, back to factoring by grouping. Put it in my groups. Okay, 5d and squared and d, 1d. I only see they have one thing in common, and that's a d. So here's my GCF. I'm bringing down my middle sign, which is a negative, and 15d and 3. Okay, I know 3 goes into 15, so here we go. I have my GCFs here. I have d minus 3. Now I need the twins, which are going to be in the parentheses. Okay, 5d squared divided by d gives me 5d. And then d divided by d just gives me 1. And it's going to be the same exact thing right here. -3 times 1 gives me -3. -3 times 5d gives me -15d. So now I have my twin, which is 5d plus 1. Okay. Now let's go to this next one. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to multiply 2n times -3. 2n times -3 gives me -6n squared. Okay, I can see my middle term is a +1 because there's a 1 here even though we don't see it. Okay, so I have +6 and -1. That gives me -5. That's not going to work. I have +3n and -2. Yep, that's the winner. Okay, so now I'm going to go and replace this middle term. So I have 2n squared plus 3n minus 2n minus 3. Same thing, factor by grouping. Okay, I'm bringing down my middle sign. Okay, my GCF here, you guys, Nothing goes evenly into 3 and 2, but they do have an n in common. So I'm going to pull out the n. And here, there is nothing in common. I shouldn't say there's nothing. If there's nothing, there's really just 1 in common. So I'm going to put a 1 here. So now I have my GCFs. Already I know this is one of the binomials. Now for the twins. 2n squared divided by n leaves me 2n. And 3n divided by n, oops, sorry you guys, leaves me 3. And I know it's a twin. So twins have to be exactly the same. They have to be exactly alike. And voila, here is my answer. Okay, we're going to do a couple more on the next video. See you in a minute.